like it cause she bad, hold up, wait. I just like it cause she bad, hold up, wait. And she got her own bag, hold up, wait. She do whatever for the cash, yeah. I just like it cause she bad, hold up, wait. I just like it cause she bad, hold up, wait. And she got her own bag, hold up, wait. She do whatever for the cash.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl KiannaJay here, and I am back with another cooking video. And today I'm doing a video you guys have all been waiting for me to do and been wanting me to do for the longest, because you guys know I love cooking seafood. So today I'm going to be making a seafood boil, and I'm also going to be making the Blove sauce. So that's why I got my laptop like right there. As you can see, I'm going to be watching her do her sauce or whatever, make her sauce, so I can follow those steps so I won't get anything wrong. I literally have every single ingredient she used except the vinegar. I don't really want to put vinegar in my sauce, so except the vinegar, but everything else that she used in her sauce I'm going to use. And I'm also going to show you guys what I'm going to be putting in my seafood boil. And yeah, we're just going to get this thing started. So for the boil, I have crab legs, lobster claws, so I know these have a lot of meat in it. I have 3 lobster tails, some scallops, corn, and red potatoes. I'm going to put this all in a boil. Also have the crab boil that you put in the water, crab boil in a bag, and a bunch of seasonings. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do this step by step. This is my first time, so bear with me, but I know it's going to come out good. All right, y'all. So my water is boiling. Now we're about to add the flavor that we need to the water in order to have flavor with our seafood. So here you can see I have some sliced up onions and lemon, and I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my boil. Ooh. Back up a little bit. Now that that is in there, we're gonna go ahead and add in our crab boil in a bag. But yeah, this has lots of seasonings. I'm gonna go ahead and dump that in there as well. So we just keep the bag right inside of there and let this come to a boil. All right, guys, so while that's boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the Blove sauce. I'm super excited to try this sauce, and I am gonna take my time making this sauce. You guys just follow along right with me. So in her video, she used lots of seasonings. I am going to name off those seasonings as I go. Make sure you have this spoon that says 1 tablespoon measurement so you guys can measure your seasonings correctly. So first, I'm going to go in with ground black pepper. One tablespoon. Put it right in here. Paprika. Cayenne pepper. Crushed red pepper. Dark chili powder. Garlic powder. This is garlic powder with parsley, but you can use this one or the regular garlic powder. It doesn't really matter. Ooh. Lemon pepper. I left my lemon pepper open, so it has like a big chunk of it. Yeah, we don't want that. It's not old or anything. I just left it open. Okay, it has a top for a reason. Okay, so yeah, that should be enough. I couldn't really tell because once again, it's very hard. Gonna need onion powder. get in the counter, then our sauce have extra. So dump that in there. Cajun seasoning. I had to run to the store to get this seasoning. Everything else I already had in the house, but I had to get this. So you're gonna need some Cajun seasoning or Cajun spice, whatever you want to call it. Yep. Dump that right on in there. Oregano. Once again, I had to go out and buy this as well. Couldn't find any oregano here, so the lazy way. Dump that in there. And we have some Old Bay seasoning. We're gonna add a lot of this because we want that good seafood taste. She suggested 2, but it's really up to you on your flavor, what flavor you want. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of that and another one. Ooh, that's a lot. I'm making a mess, guys. And then for the third one, I have Old Bay seasoning, garlic and herb. So I'm gonna use this one as well for like a garlicky flavor. Okay. You're also gonna need brown sugar. She added 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, but I'm gonna add 2 because I want mine kind of sweet. Like I want to have a glaze to it. So there's 1 and 2. Okay, now we have accent salt. We're gonna go ahead and put a tablespoon of this right on in there. All right, guys, so once you have all the seasoning in your bowl, just go ahead and mix it all up. Like so. Okay. So next we're gonna have, you need a blender of course for the next step. I'm gonna go ahead and plug up my blender. I'm gonna go ahead and put my garlic inside of the blender and a half of an onion. You don't have to dice it up, but you can like split it apart like that. Just a half onion. Once again, you don't have to slice it. Onion and garlic. Go ahead and twist the cap on there. So unfortunately, my blender did not want to work, as you can see, and I don't know why, and it's really frustrating me, but I do have minced garlic, so we're going to use that instead. I might as well just throw these in the pot and add in minced garlic that, you know, that's already cut up inside of our sauce. So you guys know my cutting skills are not A1. I still know how to cook though, but they're not A1. So I'm just gonna chop this up the best I can. Oh, okay, see, look. See, honestly, using scissors is much better for me, so that's what I'm gonna do. Scissors is so childish, but it's just better for me. I think my nails is what prevents me from cutting perfectly. But you could cut perfect with some scissors, sis. For our sauce, you're going to need 4 sticks of butter. Once your butter is melted, go ahead and add in your garlic. I'm just going to add in all this since it's all that I have left, unfortunately. Add in our onions. And you're going to need a tablespoon of this sauce. I don't know how to pronounce this, so we're just going to skip that part. But make sure you screenshot it of this. I want to add a little bit more because I like the way this smells. So, yeah. And then you could go ahead and add all your seasonings. Every last drop. Go ahead and mix that up. Right now I'm trying to smell it. So she didn't do this, but I'm going to go ahead and add in a freshly squeezed lemon because I love lemon. I'm going to go ahead and grab that. Hey you guys, so now it is time to add in the red potatoes. Make sure your red potatoes are nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and add those right on in there. And then we're also going to add in our corn, and next will be the crab legs. Also added some eggs in here because I wanted some boiled eggs with my seafood boil. So I believe the potatoes are about done. They're really soft and ready to come on out. The red potatoes, eggs, and corn is all done. As you can see, it's steaming. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my crab legs to the boil. So once I add these in, I'm gonna set my timer for about 12 minutes since they're already thawed out. I don't have a lot of water here, so I'm gonna add all the crab legs and then add some more water. Okay guys, so our crab legs are done. I have them sitting here with the corn, potato, and eggs. Now we're about to wash our lobster. I wasn't recording. That's hot. Okay, so I wasn't recording when I put the lobster in here, but they are in there about to start boiling. They're 4 ounces, so you want to boil them for about 6 minutes. Now for the scallops, you want to get some butter, and basically you're going to make garlic butter. My skillet was already preheated, by the way. Plate. And this garlic does not want to come out for some reason. There we go. Garlic butter. Right now we're just letting our butter melt. And the scallops pretty much cook like shrimp. They don't take long to cook at all. I just have 4 big scallops since I'm going to be the only one eating them. Prime isn't eating them. I'm going to add some Old Bay seasoning to my scallops. The more flavor, the better, even though I do have the Blove sauce. But you know, the more flavor, the better. And this is the regular Old Bay seasoning. Everything is pretty much done. We have our lobster claws, lobster tails, scallops, eggs and potatoes, corn, crab legs, lemon, and our Blove sauce is right here. The sauce travels to the bottom and above is the butter. I added a bunch of sugar in mine because it was way too spicy and the sugar added a nice sweet taste to it. So that's how my sauce is gonna be. So now I'm about to put everything together and I'll show you guys the final results. If you guys wanna see me eat all this stuff, tune in to my mukbang.
Hold up, I just like it cause she bad. Hold up, wait, I just like it cause she